At this point, we've probably all seen a smartphone gimbal. It's a device that holds your phone still while you're trying to record. Basically, it's a device that gives you smooth footage no matter the circumstance. But I've got something a bit different here from Insta360. This is their Flow smartphone gimbal, and there's actually a lot more to this one than just the gimbal. In fact, this one has artificial intelligence baked into some of its amazing features. So I thought I'd talk about my favorite things that you can do with the Insta360 Flow, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So we've got the Flow gimbal here from Insta360, and this is actually their creator kit. It's got a few extra things that come with this one as opposed to just the standalone version, but let's take a look at what comes in the box. Okay, so here is everything that comes in the box. We've got the X360 Flow, we've got our magnetic phone clamp, USB-C to USB-C, we've got USB-C to lightning cable. We've also got our spotlight right here. This is a carrying strap. We've also got this handle, which I thought was pretty cool. And then we've also got our quick start guide. Another thing that came with it too is that it did come with this carrying bag that we can throw everything in. One last thing that I did find in the box is that we've got a USB-C and a USB-A cable in there too. So here it is, the Insta360 Flow. It's got a lightweight, foldable design that could fit in maybe a jacket pocket. It's got a selfie stick built into it that you can tilt the camera to you. We've got a tripod hidden in the handle, cold shoe mount on the front, a smart zoom wheel with touch controls, up to 12 hours of battery life, the ability to be used as a phone charger, and some amazing AI filters built into the Insta360 app. In fact, I also want to thank Insta360 for sending this device out for me to check out. They are not sponsoring this video, but I did want to talk about some of my favorite features with this device. So recently we took an adults-only vacation to Cabo San Lucas, a trip that we have done for a few years now, and I absolutely love it. I thought this was going to be a great companion to bring on that trip, test out some new features, so I want to show you some of the things that we used on that trip. So the first feature that I really love is called Time Shift. You're going to select that mode in the app, hit record, and just start walking. Now for me, I tried to walk in as straight of a line as possible, and I actually played around with a couple of these throughout the resort. Time Shift is essentially a video that is sped up in the software, but it has a really cool look to it. Now here are some of the examples that I had for our trip. The next feature here is called Pano Photo, and essentially this is going to take your smartphone and turn it into a 360 camera. Have you ever seen those 360 pictures where you actually move around the picture, see the top, the bottom, slide side to side? Well, you can actually get pictures like that by attaching your smartphone now to the Insta360 Flow. This has got to be one of my favorite features with this device because it's going to get a 360 picture of everything that is going on, which was great for our vacation. Now for this setting right here, we actually need to put the bracket on the front of our phone. Once we get it there, we're going to tap on the picture to start the process, and the gimbal is going to start taking pictures and stitching them all together. All for us. It is such a cool thing. Here is what that process looks like sped up. Now that we have all of the pictures stitched together, inside of the app we have a couple of different options of how we want the video to look. We can either export the 360 video itself, or you can actually export a video. So the app itself can turn that picture into a video, even adding music to it too. Here are some of the examples of some of the pano shots that I took on our trip. Well, there is just a taste of what you can do with the Insta360 Flow. There is so much more that you can do with it that I didn't even cover in this video. Things like face tracking, which is absolutely amazing. They even have a hoops feature, which if you put this by a basketball court, it can automatically follow you using that AI technology. Absolutely the coolest thing ever. We've also got just the standard gimbal. I mean, look at me moving this around, back and forth. We can spin it upside down and go back. There is just so many cool things. It's so smooth and fun to use this thing. I gotta say, it has been awesome, and I can't wait to take it on our next trip. If you guys want to check out more from the Flow, go ahead and take a look at the links in the description. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.